Alright, so you're back in my case, and I'm going to show you my progress. Alright, so as you can see, still got my chainsaw. I'm going to attempt to show you the lights. Let me get in the shade. And so this is my 6-volt. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 3 lines. I've only used 1 line, which you're about to see everything that I've done. I am down to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep cutting, and you can see how this works on the big logs. So here we go. It's not as good. And that's a pretty big one. So you can see that it's not the fastest, but let's see if we can watch this pot come down. And we're gonna cut here and timber. Maybe. Timber! Ah, my water tank! Okay, so you can see that it's hanging on just by that. So I'm gonna actually try to pull it this way and see if we can pull it down. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll have documentation of me getting hurt, I guess, but let's see. No, my water tank! Okay, the water tank's actually pretty strong. So I don't think it damaged anything. So we'll start cutting that up, and I'll show you the progress. Bye, guys.